Today, I will share the full steps of doing a manicure. The first step is to apply dead skin softener. The second step is to push the dead skin. The video is a bit long. It is recommended to do a manicure. It will not be weak. If it is not exquisite, collect it and look at it slowly. Step 3. Cut off the dead skin that has been pushed up. Step 4. Wipe the nail surface with clean water. This step must be wiped. Step 5. Rub the dead skin on both sides with dead skin. Step 6. Use a grinding strip to polish the edges and corners of the nail surface. Be sure to polish until there are no reflective points. Dust. Step 7. Apply adhesive to the nail plate. Apply adhesive to the nail plate. Press on the nail and fix the lamp. Use adhesive to stick the nail piece. No bubbles, no white pen. The nail plate A and B can be pasted if the 2 points are suitable. Today is a short nail sticker. The 8th step is to polish the knot on the back edge of the nail piece. If there is no sander, polish it with a sanding strip. The 9th step is to trim the length of the nail type. Customers like this length. I didn't cut it. The surface of the nail plate should also be polished until there is no reflective point. It won't be repaired now. You can see how to fix it. Step 10. Use a sponge. Sanding strip mask. The soap is uneven and polished flat. Step 11. Wipe the mask clean with a dry cotton sheet. Step 12. Reinforce the nail plate with adhesive. This is what reinforces the shape. The nail plate won't break. Apply thicker when applying. Step 14. Flatten the nail surface with a sanding strip. Sand the uneven area flat and smooth. Step 15. Wipe the mask with clean water. Step 16. Apply the primer. The primer should be thinly coated with hemming. Step 17. Paint your favorite color. I applied gentle dried milk note to today. Color 2 to 3 times. Thin coating every time. If you want to lay bricks, apply phototherapy glue or dolly glue. The tile customer wants to wrap the brick as a whole. I use phototherapy stickers. Without applying a layer of phototherapy glue or reinforcement glue to reinforce the color, phototherapy glue will be stronger. Just apply this thin layer. Step 19. Figure seal. Last step. Apply nutritious oil after the lamp. To moisturize the trailing edge of the nails, the complete manicure steps are completed. Collect it and learn to do it yourself.